Hello, we're going to be showing you how to solve a 2x2 cube in one half of the video and a square one to make everything like a long episode. Alright, so we're gonna do the 2x2 first because it's more like simple in cubing. There's gonna be I'm gonna use two cubes for one of them is visuals, and then one of them is like the algorithms. This is for algorithms, and this is for visuals. Alright, so for the 2x2, we're gonna be the first thing is we're gonna solve the white layer on the bottom side. So there's like 4, and then make sure all the corners are matching together. So let's see. Let's say this is the bottom. We have a blue and red corner and a white corner matched. Now we have to find more white corners are in this cube. We have a white, red, and green. There is the one algorithm which is called right-handed. And right-hand algorithm goes like this. One right up, and then take this to the left, put this down, then to the right. And then if it's not showing, keep doing it until the corner is fully matched. Now we're gonna look for more and then do the same thing. This corner is easy because if you turn it like this without doing algorithms, wait, hold on. Never mind then. But still do the right-hand algorithm for every single corner that you see, and boom, you did the first step. Now, the second step is to find find one corner that is right than the others. And then we will move on to the next step. So the visual is like one corner is matched. This is incorrect, this is incorrect, this is incorrect. Now let's check for the corners. So if we turn this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, if you got lucky that all your colors are matched, then skip the one corner step. But for the one corner step, you see there is one corner right. Then we're gonna do this algorithm. So the correct corner is on the left side of the color of the thing you're facing. So we're gonna do this algorithm, which is the layer or orienting. Get this one to the right. Move this one up. No, to the right. This one's up. Then this to the left. Then this down. This to the left. Or right. Then this down. Then to left. Now we have all corners matched up. And I'll show you a visual for what the last step is looking like. Just give it a second. Now this is the final step, obviously. Now we gotta find corners that are mismatched, like this one and this one. So pro tip is, we're gonna use the right-hand algorithm, but the pro tip to do it is let's say you're facing it here, in the yellow corners on the right side of this, you're gonna do this 2 times. 1, 2, and then another 1, 2. And if this yellow is in the face you're facing, you're gonna do it 4 times to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn the remaining turns to solve the cube. That is the 2x2 tutorial. Now we're moving on to the square one. Just let me get this thing scrambled. One popular fact is that the square one is a really hard, it's like one of the hardest cubes ever to solve. So the thing is, for the square one, we need to like turn it into a cube. So the first step, we need to turn this into a flower. So we can like just turn, or if you make it turn that's like one this and then this on the opposite side, you're gonna slice this thing to make it cubed. And I think it's cause maybe you got lucky or it's just like that. But for the, you just turn and slice. So for the square, oh, I forgot to tell you the notation is that, oh, so this, if you want to turn it, if it's one pairing 1 and 0, 1 and 0, the left side is the top layer of the coordinates, and then the right side is the bottom. So if it's asking 1 and 0, you turn this, so this wedge is 1, and then the corner is 2. This is 1, then this is -1, this is -2, this is 2, 3, 6, and if it says 0 negative, this might be a little twist, but let's say if it wants you to do 1 -1, so if you do, this is 1 for the top layer, then -1 for the bottom, then slice. That's what the notation is. Then we're gonna see if we need a position. Oh, let me finish this step. Okay, so so the next step is for step 3, position the corners. But if you're stuck on step 2, if you have a booklet, you can search up algorithms and like visuals on like a specific website, because I definitely do not know what the algorithm is for that. Alright, so we're gonna be doing this algorithm called 1 and 0. So bring this top layer 1, 30 degrees, and then bring this here, and then 3. Now we have one corner remaining, so the yellow part, face, there's a corner here, and then make sure this white corner is on the left side of this face, and then the bottom right on the thing upside down. So make sure to put your thumb on the square, and then your rest of your fingers on this side. So do this turn 1, 0 again, and then slice, which is 180-degree turn, 3 and 0, so 2 plus 1 is 3, and then do another turn, and then -1, opposite direction, and that's how you do cornering. If there is edges, if there's no edges after that step, you can go to step 5, which is permuting the corners. Now we have to see if all the corners are correct. So red is on this side, remember, blue on the left side, green on the right side, and orange. So we have red already placed. There's blue here, and then green here. Now let's check on this side. Green, orange, blue, nope. And then orange, and these orange needs to be placed, and then blue and blue need to be switched. So the way you need to position it for the step is to make sure that the corners that you want to switch have to be on the one that has like a little line into it. So you're gonna hold it like this, as always. We're gonna do this algorithm, so pay attention. Slice up 3 and 3, -3, so 2, +3, and then -3 on the bottom layers on this side, so it's like -2, -3, then slice, +3, no, 2, 3, then slice, -3 and no, so it's this way, 1, -3, then slice, then 0, 3, so this side, 1, 3, slice, minus 3, 1, -1, -3, slice, and let's check all the corners. Yep. Then we're gonna see if there's, on the white side is like more, on the more difficult side. So remember, it's on the line. Now we have to, the position to do the white corners switching is like this one and this one are in this face. Then the algorithm for the white corners is this slice, 2, 3, -2, -3, then slice.
Someone is at the door.
0, 3, 1, 3, minus 3, 0, 3, 0, minus 3, 0. And there you go. You have solved the square one. Alright, I'll be right back for a second. But I'm totally back, and that, I don't know if this tutorial is really confusing, but you know how to, this video shows you square one and 2x2 cube. I'll see you later.